Whether you're planning for that next road trip or just cruising around town in your Slingshot, you may be interested in our set of rear storage compartment bags by the team over at EvolutionR. These bags are sold as a pair and fit both the driver and passenger side rear compartments on all Slingshot years and models. They include padded grab handles on both the front and top side of the bag for easy transport once you reach your destination. Built from durable materials with reinforced stitching and smooth glide zippers, these bags are designed for repeated use without compromising their appearance. Up front, you'll find a geometric stitch pattern for a refined, upscale look. In addition to the spacious main storage area, you also get an integrated mesh pocket on the front side for quick and easy access to your essentials. Whether you're packing for a weekend trip, daily driving, or traveling to an event, they offer a clean, functional solution that complements the Slingshot's aggressive design. You can grab yours by visiting slingmods.com or by clicking the link below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay plugged in to everything on three wheels. We'll see you out on the road. Thanks for watching.